1, 2, 3. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Just out here hanging out in the backyard with the puppies and all that stuff. Today we're just gonna do some death cart stuff, just clean up the interior a little bit, get rid of some wires, and then redo the exhaust to make it a little bit more quieter and more civil. But not too much, not too much. I did get parts in for the E55 and for the slk320, so they'll be coming up in the next video. And oh, if you guys haven't, just make sure you hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's get to the video. I don't know if you can see the hose back there, but we pulled it through, just right over there, and trimmed it. We might have to move a little bit more, but that's the start of it. Alright guys, so now we got the death cart. We're going to try to clean all this rigmarole up. I got a couple of like 20 feet of this. We're going to try to cut the wires we don't need, reroute the nitrous lines, and just get it a lot more neater, vacuum it, and just make it a lot clean, because it's kind of a ruckus right now. Alright, so far we started snipping stuff and get things a little bit cleaned up. I'm not going to touch any of these right now, just because I'm not sure if I fixed the ESP thing, so I could actually turn traction control on and off yet. But we're going to start running these wires really quick. Alright, okay, so we got it started, this whole strip. So I think we're gonna do a branch going to here, a branch going to there, and then do one for all the nitrous stuff all over there. And then this stuff we're just gonna zip tie and tuck for right now. But as we're going, we're trying to snip and get rid of things that we know are crap, but not too bad. And I got my handy little special buddy pushing that through. So what we're trying to do is just get the nitrous lines and kind of their own little loom and all that stuff in case I gotta rip it off. But it's not too bad so far. Alright, we're gonna keep going.
Alright.
So all over there looking good. That's all tucked up. We gotta pull that heater hose up more. And that. Alright, so we got the interior. I think as much as I like it, I'm going to give a whole walkthrough of it and a little bit of like what we did and all that stuff. But what we were doing right now is I have the hood release. So, as most people know, there's a hood release. It goes on there, bam, and it has a cable that effing goes all the way around to the front. So, this is just hanging there and useless because I got no hootenanny hood. But my black slk320, it needs the release. If you see, and I do the what's called the needle nose pliers and I pull it out. So, I didn't fully look at that yet. I don't know if it's just the handle that broke or somewhere else in the line. So what we were attempting to do right now is pull that line all the way throughout. So we got it from this little piece we took off the front nose. So we dropped maybe a quarter of a pound there, and then it routes all the way through, and then right down there, I don't think you could see, but there's like a little bit, like a little grommet that holds it. So we got it all pulled out. I took it apart, and the part that sucks right now, so I got these holes in the car that goes in the fender, and I literally took the dikes and put them right here and kind of like let go as like tiredness, and it fell straight down. So if you can see that.
You can't even see.
Oh, I don't know. I got multiple functions.
They're right down there, yeah.
So now the goal of the day is to get my effing dikes out of there. I tried my hand already once. I don't think, I'm not slender enough. I go to here and I gotta go over down there. So now we got our grabber, and we're gonna hope I can get it. Alright, I grabbed them, and now I can't get it out. Alright, grab it, Berto, grab it, so I'm trying.
There you go.
Alright. So some of you asked, why didn't I just go into the effing fender well? These are actually steel fender wire, so there's no pulling these apart. So anything that falls in here, I just find out, is almost effing gone. So I can't let things fall in there. And as you can see, it's pretty effing close to that like crease in the fender, and I don't want it to rub and effing up. So I'm gonna show you a trick I do. All right, so this might not be the right size, so I'm gonna cut one and test. So I'm gonna take some scrap hose that we use to just align all that up. Cut it in half. I need to sharpen this knife. And then, I'm gonna do this. Alright, hold on. We're gonna have to push this through. Yep. See it?
Yeah.
Alright, so you see how I just put that little thing right there? So I'll protect it from rubbing, and it didn't cost me effing nothing. Alright. Alright guys, we're underneath the car now. We're going to try to tackle this exhaust. So I'm taking the header wrap off of a lot of it, and then I'm going to cut from here back, and we're going to do some X pipes and Y pipes. So this thing is really hootenanny loud, and then that way I at least can get the crossover the both. So I'm hoping I can pull this back and have a nice cut area to join it from right here, and then these glass backs I can still use them somewhere else. That's the plan. Alright guys, I'm not the best effing welder, but in my mind with this car I want to try to do as much as I physically can myself, so if the welds come up like poop, then at least I can say I did it and it was myself. So what I'm going to start doing is welding this X pipe to this Y pipe, and I'm trying to put my nice little Harbor Freight welder, so we're going to keep going. I'm gonna have to get a fucking hoodie on for this. Alright. I'm gonna overheat it, so. Okay. Alright, so we're at the point we're rigging all this up. So we have the X pipe going to the Y pipe, then we got a couple angles. Don't mind my special little rigging to hold it up because it holds up perfectly. So what we got to do is we're gonna combine all this stuff and then have a piece shoot right here and then have it come out the exhaust hole right over there. And hopefully it doesn't look too ricery and hopefully it doesn't sound too crappy. I'm hoping this will muffle the sound a lot. And still, if it is pretty shitty once we stop right here, before I add this, we're probably gonna fire up the car, and then I'm gonna know if I need to get a muffler, I'll put a hootenanny muffler on it, but this is coming out pretty kosher right now. Alright, we got it kind of mocked all up. I definitely gotta clean off the piping and finish welding. A lot of it's just like tacked up and all that stuff right now, so I gotta clean all this pipe up, weld these into there. Don't mind my welding, I am not the best as you can see, but all this so far is sealed. I checked it with water and smoke. I just gotta weld here and then deal with that up there, and then the tip, yeah, I don't mind the junk either. I got hootenanny all over the place. And then I'm gonna have to space it out, but it's gonna come out right here. It's not gonna go up like that. This is just a little tester piece, you know what I mean? A couple packages came in. Maybe some parts for that car, maybe some parts for another car, but let's keep it on going. All right, welding it all up. That one's, I'm going to have to fill that up a lot, but a lot of the welds are pretty poopy. But at the end of the day, I can see I welded it up and I did it all myself, so as long as it holds and everything like that, I don't care what it looks like. At least I'm practicing. Not bad, not bad. Look at them. I wouldn't call them dimes. Maybe a special ed handicap version of dimes, but I think definitely getting a lot cleaner. I gotta fill that hootenanny gap over there. Not bad, not bad. And apparently I missed, right? Yeah. Alright, we're 99.9% fully complete. Already fired up and ran it. We got no exhaust leaks. It's all pretty effing sturdy. I got this piece all for a mount right there. Yeah, I know that's not the proper piece to use, but it's just what I had in the garage. And then now I'm just gonna fix the wrap and then kind of wrap as far as I can. I'm gonna try to wrap this whole thing up to keep it a little bit quieter, but it's looking pretty good. It's a lot quieter. I'll show you fired up once I fully do the wrap, but we're looking good. All right. Yeah. So it's not wrapped yet and all that stuff, so it might be a little bit louder than it should be, but here's like how much cleaner on. Here's like how much cleaner the interior is now. I still gotta do something with this nitrous line, but I got my switches all like boop boop, all up over there. It's got, oh, apparently I got one wire sticking out. I'll have to zip tie that one in, but so much cleaner. I just gotta vacuum it up. I got like all the rigmarole that we clipped in here, but that being a cold start in a garage with the door almost closed, that's like nothing. That is night and day quieter. Alternator. Not bad. There's a little tip I built. But that's just nothing. That's just barely purring. I will go take it on the road in a little bit and go do a nice little pull later on, but pretty happy. Pretty happy. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm just cruising the car right now. We're gonna try to do a nice little pull right over here, and that way you can see how it sounds. It's not bad so far. It's a hoot and any quieter. I don't know if I like the tone or the pitch yet, but we'll see. All right. Alright, made it back home. That's a nice little look at the exhaust, the wrap. I almost went all the way back with it. But, so we just got home. Went to Publix with the car. Goes fine. Actually running a lot smoother than it did effing before. I think it sounds pretty good. You saw me do that pool. It's definitely, there's a smell right now from, I'm 99% sure, just the exhaust wrap. Just basically cooking off and all that stuff, and whatever, the ceramic paint and all that stuff, but not bad. Alright, let me go take care of the puppies. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. So for the death cart, I gotta wait for more header wrap to be coming in. I got a couple like maintenance stuff, like I'm gonna be doing like a fuel filter and a couple other things to the death cart right now, and then hopefully next video, since this all went well, as long as nothing stupid happens to the exhaust, like it falls off, we're gonna up the jet size. We're actually gonna do it this time, and then we might try a little bit work with the ESP and just try to get that fixed in, because clearly I didn't get it. It didn't work what I tried, but we'll be shooting up to a 125 and probably a 150 shot. Next video we'll do some maintenance, do all that stuff, and if we get time, I might put in the air-fuel ratio gauge just to keep it a little bit safer and all that stuff, because I do want that. So that's going to be the next time you see the death cart, but tomorrow, hopefully I do some stuff on the 55, on the CLK one, because I did get all the parts in to do a few little things like that, so then I could actually be like reliable and daily. And hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and heck, tell your friends. I need to get a couple more people, and talk to you later.